guys, welcome back to another video. Now this is kind of an unusual start. We're starting here in my car, but today, real quick, real fast, we're gonna be heading over with a friend. He just got a drone recently, and we're gonna go ahead shoot some beautiful scenes. It's about sunset here in Sacramento. We're about to go shoot some beautiful scenes over there in downtown with the G35. See if we get some awesome freaking clips. He's gonna do all the clips, so all credit is to him. But yeah, man, if you guys want to give him a follow, here's his Instagram. Let's see what we get, man. It's gonna be freaking amazing. Hopefully, if you're new to this channel, I do videos on my G35, and if you like them, feel free to give us a video a like. All right, let's head out to the road. Also, guys, before we continue this video, I have made the official poster. Here it is. I'm also going to post it on the community feed so you guys can have a better look at it. But the deal is that there's a lot of car meets here in Sacramento. One holds them Tuesday, Thursday. So I'm not going to try to interfere. So I'm trying to join them, right? So the thing we're going to do today or Saturday is we're going to go ahead and meet up at 6:45 once 8 o'clock hits. We might head out a little bit earlier so that we can catch the sunset and we can get some good footage. And we're just going to mob out to the other meet and have a good time. It's my first kind of get together. Hopefully it goes all right. Hopefully I get to see some of you guys there. I know there's a couple of my friends who are going, so who knows how it's gonna go. But you guys are all invited. Any cars, feel free to bring a bike, anything, man. You guys are all welcomed. And thank you guys so much for making this happen. So thank you guys so much. So without further ado, let's continue the video. All right, folks, we made it here to Sacramento. We're here with my boy, Jose Marquez.
What's up, guys? What's up? This is, we're shooting a little bit of drone shots with BeDistinct car. Fucking dope cinematic shots coming to you soon.
Hell yeah, dude. We're here. It's close to sunset. Right now, we're going to shoot some practice shots right now on the G. We're gonna go down like over there by the bridge, get some warm-ups, and then once the sunset gets a little lower, we're gonna head over there towards like the back of downtown and get some better shots, and we'll see how it goes.
I want it, I like it, I buy it. I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking the flu.
It's gonna be crazy. This is kind of my first time kind of doing like that drone stuff. Is it your first time doing like a car shoot or something?
It is my first time doing a car shoot.
Oh
yeah.
Shoot. Okay, there you go.
It should be fun. So we got the car locked on and we're ready to go.
You got the car locked on? We're ready?
All
right, let's go. Let's get in the G and let's see what goes on. Kind of nervous. Let's get it.
Go and then I'll just follow you. I'll just follow the drone.
All right, sounds good. All right, boys, I'm kind of nervous. Oh shit. Here we go. I'm gonna go 20 or 10. Alright guys, we're driving with the drone. We're gonna go like 15. I don't know, oh look, we're 20. I don't know where his drone is at. Alright, we're gonna do a U-turn here, and then we're gonna call it a wrap here for the warm-up sesh. And then we got the drone doing his thing over there in front of us. We're kind of just staring back at it right now. We're gonna show you the drone's point of view, but for right now, we're gonna show you the behind the scenes. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but show them a little bit of that magic. We'll show you a little bit before we show you on the big screen.
Right here.
Look at that, dude. You guys are not ready for this. You guys are not ready for
sick.
That's so sick. I can't even wait for the other ones, dude. The other ones are gonna be so sick. The Golden Bridge one, dude.
The Golden Bridge,
my god. Oh shit, I'm falling. Also, some of you guys asked me if I add like freaking a clear tint or something like that to make the rainbow in the headlights. I don't. The headlights just came like that. I'm not sure why they still produce that rainbow, but it looks pretty sick, man. Look at that. All right, guys, we're just finishing off with the ones over there by the stadium. Now we're gonna do I don't know if you guys can see it right there, but we're gonna do like the Golden Gate Bridge I always go through. Man, this shot is gonna be so damn good, bro. I can already see it. Dude, I'm so excited to show you guys. Oh my god, this is life right here. This is life, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here we go. You know what I like best about this car is that, well, honestly, like whenever I see somebody like turn their head or say something good about it, like it's just the best feeling in the world, guys. And for that, I thank to everybody who freaking shows support or love. Like, it's honestly one of the best feelings in the world, man. Just getting support from you guys, and then like it just feels freaking good, man. It's one of the, like, I cannot describe it to you guys. You're here to be happy and shit, and like if you're not happy, you're not doing it right, man. So Honestly, shout out to you guys, man. Can't thank you guys enough. All right, guys, we just got done taking some shots on the bridge. You guys can see the bridge is literally on top of us. He's just parking his drone, and then we're gonna go ahead, maybe head out to the Capitol and get some beautiful shots over there. They're having like a little car meet over there, like an old classic car meet over there. We might go over there and check it out. Who knows? Guys, I've been living in Sacramento. I would say about, well, how old am I? I'm 22. Damn, bro, I'm kind of old. Why did I ask myself that question? I'm like maybe like 10 years here in Sacramento, and I've never known about this spot until he showed me it. It's like a nice little alley here between like one of the 2 tallest buildings, I would say, here in Sacramento. Look at this view, guys. Oh my, he's doing his little drone work over there. Look at that. Dude, that thing goes way up high, all the way up to the top of that building, dude, no joke. But look at this view. Look at that. Tell me if the following clip won't look like a movie intro start. Check this out. Alright guys, we're in our other location now, and we are now close to the Capitol. Shoot, that shit was close. I was gonna cut my hand off. We're by the Capitol right here, you guys can see. This is probably one of the best shots here. I don't know why this freaking post is right here smack in the middle. Who designed this lawn right here? Look.
Woo! Woo! This fucker. The dust, left them in the dust. Woo! Shit goes fast. Damn. Oh shit, dude. Woo! Woo! Dude, this shit goes fast. We're going 1, and I think that's the fastest I've ever gone on a car. 120. I like when it accelerates and when you're like on the same.
And you're like feeling push right now. Then you press the clutch.
Oh, yeah, this nigga wants it, bro.
You press the clutch, you'll gas me. Let's get a little small race. I'll guess so.
Bro, this guy just picks up races out of nowhere,
Yeah,
bro.
dude.
Out of nowhere.
Got a V8. I'll give it a go. There's no cops here.
No cops, no stop, baby. There's a fucking cop right there.
Alright guys, that was the end of the video. You guys saw the freaking V8. He caught up to me. I don't know if he was really racing or not or whatever, but yeah, it was freaking fun time on the street right there. Little on the way back with my friend. We were gonna head back to the house to review the footage that we shot. But yeah, fun time. Besides that, guys, I'll bring you guys next video with the freaking cinematic movie and everything. Man, it's so amazing. Trust me, the clips. It's beautiful. It looks like a video game, guys. It looks like a video game. So without further ado, I'm gonna bring you guys that next video, and I still gotta explain to you guys why I'm selling my G35, and that's gonna be another video. But don't worry, my friends, it's gonna be a good surprise. Trust me, it's gonna be a good surprise. But without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out, man. Stay safe.